No one's gonna tell me why I get scooped up. Nothing. No small talk, no. 100 bottles of beer in the wall, row your boat. Wow. Okay. I'll start. I'm guessing you played college ball there, Baldy. Offensive line. Too much of a pussy to make the pro and too stupid to graduate.
Shut your mouth, asshole.
Oh, you were clearly in it because of your aggression issues.
You heard what he said?
And you're at least half a fag. Your problem will run with him. In this job, it's your way of staying close.
Knock it off! They don't collectively bring him and beat him. It's Oregon.
Oregon? It's got nothing outstanding in Oregon.
2001. Assault and indecent exposure inside a livestock transport.
Shit. Thought that got squashed.
Nope. Skipped on a $40,000 bond. Sick bastard.
You're dying to ask me, aren't you? Go ahead. Bet you got half a stiffy. Oprah.
Gag him.
Break it up!
Cat.